Hello. Assalamu alaikum to all. Are you welcome in AutoCAD online classes? My answer is available.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My voice is clear.
Walaikum assalam, sir. Yes, very clear.
Okay. Yesterday I told you guys did not send any assignment in group. How many
Sir, I
times
completed.
send I don't know.
Sir, I completed.
When you submitted,
I did not submit, but I completed.
no, in group today I didn't receive any assignments. Yesterday's class YouTube link is there, and today morning I did one message in group, and our Shahid sir also sent this AutoCAD link. After that, I did not receive any assignment and any commands notes, which I told you. Not only you, but I told for all. Tell me how I can able to start today's class. You guys are not doing anything. If you have any particular reason, you can able to tell me. But you guys are not telling anything.
Sir, can you read the homework which you gave yesterday without a boundary measurement?
Yeah, that thing was you asked me in phone call, na? I told you.
But I did not get it.
Others. You asked me, okay, but what about others? I told you that if you did not have AutoCAD software also, we will provide. We provide from Alkhair. But you guys are not doing. How I have to continue my class, I don't know. Shahid, you receive any assignment in group? Can you see and tell us
Sorry, today I did not receive
today?
any kinds of assignment or whatever. But yesterday, some students share their assignment or notes.
Today you receive any from anyone any assignment? Why? Because we are taking online classes. You guys are not sending any assignment. Means there is no use of taking online classes. We have to know na you guys are doing well or not. How we can able to know you guys are not submitting your assignments, and how we can able to give marks? You are not giving your assignment and you are not providing your notes of AutoCAD commands. I asked that one also. If you have any kind of doubts related to this class, you feel free to ask me. I'll clear your doubts. But few guys is there. They are doing the phone calls and they are asking. But remaining all, they are not doing any kind of phone call, any kind of message on WhatsApp. Today is the last chance. Okay, I'm giving as a warning. If tomorrow you guys are not submitted any assignments, sorry, tomorrow onwards I could not able to take AutoCAD class. You think it as a warning. Okay, tomorrow onwards I could not able to take AutoCAD class. Now this is a last class you think, or else this is a continuation class you think. But from my side, if you guys are not submitting any kind of assignment, any kind of notes in group, I could not able to continue from tomorrow. Okay, now we'll start our class. See, yesterday I shown you how to draw by using line command, how to draw a single portion. Okay, same like this you can able to use by the line command. You can able to draw various types of plans. In this we only draw a single portion, but means we draw only one bedroom over here. You can able to use by the line command. You can able to draw two bedrooms, three bedrooms portion, like that. Today, by using line command, same I am repeating yesterday's class, but design was different. Okay, whole guys, if you have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask me by ongoing class. If you have any doubts, you can able to ask. Okay, I'll clear in this class only. See, I took by using line command, I drawn y-axis one line and x-axis one line. I took y-axis in horizontal way and x-axis in vertical way. Okay. Now I am giving outer wall value. Outer wall value, you guys know it very well. It's 0.25. Okay. Here you are doing split again. Now I am taking x-axis value was 3.6. Okay, from here this is x-axis value. Now giving inner wall value how much, 0.15. In y-axis value I am giving 4 meters. Okay, offset 4 meters. Inner wall value how much, 0.15. Okay. Now here I am giving, this is a 1.5 for toilet. How much inner wall value, 0.15. 1.85 offset again and again here 0.15 inner wall value. Okay, now I am taking 4.5. Then again outer wall value how much, 0.25. Okay, see, now I am joining here. You can able to check this dimensions how much. This one here 12.4. meters. Okay, now I am using trim command. Now we have to give these room sizes, these both rooms. I am taking 2 meters, okay, in x-axis value or y-axis value, sorry. Now again inner wall value how much? 0.15. See, I am doing here flat again. Now this line, in between line, I am using one new command, that is join. Join shortcut key was J, enter. You can able to see here in bracket join. J, enter. I selected first line and second line. It's join. Okay, you have to write it in your notebook, which I am giving new commands now. You have to note it down. Again I am showing. See, these two lines are breaked. Okay, we want solid line. For joining this line, we are using the command join. J, J is the shortcut key for joining line. J, enter. See, I selected first line and second line. It's join already. Okay. Now I am removing this one. See, I want to extend these lines over here. Again, I am using here one new command. I selected these two corners. I want to stretch. The command stretch I am using. Shortcut key was S. See here. Stretch S, enter. Okay. You have to select the corner point and you have to attach to wall. See, our line was extended. Okay, again I am showing. See, I selected this corner and I am doing stretch S, enter. This one I attached over here. Okay, now I am doing here trim, and this part, here also and here also. Okay, here also I did trim. Okay, now we drawn upwards and we have to draw down. Okay, see, offset. Again I am taking 3 meters from here. Inner wall value how much? 0.15. Here also say 3 meters offset. 3 meters. Inner wall value how much? 0.15. Okay. Now I am giving here 2.5 for this room. Okay. See how much inner wall value? 0.15. This is your another room. Here also we given one room. Now here I am giving 4 meters for down. Okay, offset. Offset outer wall value how much? 0.25. Okay, here. Now I am doing here flat. F, enter. M, enter. M, enter I am using for continuation. This command. Okay. Again we have to join these both lines. Okay. Just I am selecting J, enter. Okay. See. While joining line, it must be in equal position. If these lines are moved something like this, in this position, see, okay, when we are clicking J, enter, it won't join. See, we have to keep the position same. Now you can able to join. J, enter. Enter. For this I want to stretch this line. S, enter. Selected corners, I attach to this corner. Okay, now this area was we have to give here also one wall. It's too much big. Okay, we are providing here one parking area. Okay, see how much parking area says. I am giving from here 4 meters. Okay, inner wall how much? 0.15. Again I am doing here flat. Enter, M, enter. Okay, now we can able to take here how much dimension. Okay, see x-axis value 12.4, y-axis value was 11.8 meters. Okay, now we given a shape of every room. You think it as this is a parking area, or this is living room, this is a kitchen, so and so, and this is a master bedroom, this is also master bedroom, this is also master, this is single bedroom, and you think it as this is a drawing room. Okay, I'm giving the same names. Okay, first giving names, we have to cut it the door positions. Okay, see today one of our participant of this class asked me about how to cut a door. Okay, I'm using here how I'm cutting same this position only you have to cut it over in your drawings. Okay, see I'm giving taking line command L, selecting this corner to this corner. Okay, and from here I am giving offset how much. This is toilet area, means we have to give offset how much? 0.75. In feet it's at 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, now we are doing here meters, means we have to give meter value was 0.75. same here also, we have to select one line and we have to give offset 0.75. Okay, we have to trim. Okay, now here also same line, from here to here I am taking a line. Okay, here I am giving d1 value. D1 value how much? You can able to see in your schedule. In I send it you on in WhatsApp. You can able to see over there. D1 value was 1.05. Okay, see now I am doing trim these lines and these lines. We given for this room we open the door, and for this room also we open the door. Okay, now the same thing over here. I am selecting line from here to here. Again I am giving D1 value how much? 1.05. This is our D1 door opening value. See, we cut it over there. Okay, now here I am giving D2 value. Okay, see D2 value how much? 0.9.
0.09.
0.90. Okay, 0.090. This is our D2 value. We have to select one for trim, and again we have to press enter. You have to select. Okay, now here we have to give another door for this room. Okay, again the same thing. D value was how much? 1.05. Again I am doing trim over here. Now here this is outer wall. Okay, we have to give 1.20. This is a main door, okay, or else you can able to give same value, offset 1.05. Okay, here when we are giving for this room, we have to take center. See, I given here center line for this. According to this line, how much offset of 1.2? Yesterday I told. How much? Faiz, are you there? How much? 1.2
Yes, sir, I
offset.
am there.
1.2 half. How much?
0.6.
Yeah, you remember. 0.6. Okay. Offset 0.6. See, if you want to check a dimension, you can able to check by using DLI. See, or else we give here one window. Better, we are providing car parking also, na? Our main entrance should be here. Okay. See, as you told, 1.2 half first 0.6. I am giving here. Okay. This is our car parking.
Sir, that is 1.2 or 0.6.
When we are giving from center, okay, see, according to this line, I am taking center line. Here you have to give 1.2 opening, means you have from this line, you have to give 0.6, 0.6 offset here. See, 0.6 offset here and here. The total dimension was how much?
Or
1.2, 1.2.
0.2. Okay. See, now how much our this dimension? Sorry. See, how much our this dimension? See, 4 meters. Okay. We have to give here main entrance, means we have to provide here gate opening. How much we can able to keep? See, 1 meter. Okay. I'm giving 1 meter over here, 1 meter over here. Okay. This is 2 meter gate opening. See, 2 meters gate opening. Okay. Now we already did whole door opening skirting. Okay.
Sir,
Now
now
we have to
windows.
provide. Now, yeah, now windows. Okay. Yesterday by using rectangle we draw some windows and ventilators. Now I am doing window. Okay. What is W1 value? How much we have to give W1 value? 1.2.
1.50 into 1.20.
No, that is W value is there. You have to see in drawing what is W1. We are giving here
1.20
W1.
into
Okay.
1.20.
1.2 comma. How much the wall size?
1.2.
0.25. When we are giving door or window section, in that you have to use 1.2 meter into 1.2 square box. After that I'll show how to draw your section also. Okay. Now we are giving in top view this door, window opening. Okay. And yesterday I show another command also, multi-line command. Okay. We have to give size. How much we given size over here? 0.1. Okay. Now this is in center. How we can able to check? J enter. See, you have to keep this value On 0 you have to select. Okay, now we are selecting from this center to this center. Okay, this is your window giving here. Okay, you can able to adjust as per your room. Now for toilet, how much value for toilet? 0.6 comma 0.25. Again you have to take multi-line command. You have to draw
Sir, what values for toilet? 1.6 and 1.
0.6 for ventilator. You can able to see V1. V1 size how much?
0.6, 0.6.
Yesterday I sent it in group.
Yes, sir, 0.6.
We are taking 0.6. Now this is our master bedroom. Here we have to give W value. Okay. Here we provided W1 value. Now I am giving here W value. How much W value?
50.
1.50 comma 0.25. Okay. Again I am using here multi-line command. See, I am keeping this window to this room in center to this wall. According to this wall, I am providing this window in center. Okay, right? Now we have to give here also one window. Okay, REC. First we have to give wall thickness. How much wall thickness? 0.25. Outer wall thickness how much? 0.25. Comma. And now window value how much? Here we are giving W1 window 1.2. Okay. Now I am using multi-line. See, again we have to
Sir,
put it
for
in.
multi-line command, what we have to?
Multi-line command shortcut key was ML. Okay. See, I'll show in this room. You just see REC enter. Rectangle I am taking. Again I am giving outer wall value, comma, uh, window value how much? 1.2. Okay. Now in this I am giving multi-line command ML. You can able to see M line shortcut we can able to call as multi-line. Okay. Why? Because one line we are not providing over here. We are providing two lines. Okay. See, in one click we can able to give two lines over here. Okay. Again I am keeping this window according to this wall in center. See. Okay. Now this one, this is our living hall. If you see our this design of this one portion design, you can easily guess this is our living hall. Okay. For living hall we have to provide a big window. That's why I am giving here W value. How much W value? 1.50 comma. How much our outer wall thickness? 0.25. Okay. Again I am giving here multi-line ML enter, selecting one corner to another corner, another center. See, according to this inner wall I am giving in center. See. Okay. Now this is our main door entrance. Okay. Here we have to provide two windows to each. Here two opening doors is there. For one door we will give two openings. That's why one opening side one window and second opening side second window. That size we will provide 0.6 comma. How much inner wall size thickness? 0.15. Okay. Now again we are taking multi-line. Here some changes is there. You have to remind. We have to give a small size in between lines. Okay. We have to change the size. S enter. How much here size we provided? 0.1. Now I am providing 05. Okay.
Sir, this window is for hall, living hall, na, sir?
Yeah. See, you have to rotate this one in 90 degrees. Okay. Same thing I provided, kept over here, and I did copy for this one, and I pasted over here. Okay. Now this room part we missed. Again, we have to give here one window size. We will provide here W2. W2 value how much? 0.9, comma, inner wall value how much? 0.15. Okay. Again
Sir,
we are
how to
using.
rotate the window?
I'll show. See, we selected first one, first this object. We have to rotate this object. I'm taking a command as a rotate. RO. Rotate shortcut key was RO. Okay. Now this is ortho is on. FAT is on. That's why it's coming in 90 degrees. If we off ortho, you can able to rotate over there. See. Okay. Now if you are on ortho, you can able to see. Okay. If you click it over here, it will change the position. If you want to rotate again you have to take rotate command. You can able to easily rotate. Okay. Now according to this wall center, I am giving here window. Okay. Now we place whole window and ventilators. Okay. Now we have to provide a text. Text shortcut key was T enter. Okay. For text, we have to reduce the text. You can able to reduce here. Okay. We have to take it in center. Now we have to provide our text. First, we have to select these dimensions. After, we have to remove. Whole dimensions we took. Okay. Okay. Now I'm writing text over here. See how much value? 3.60 m into 4.00 m. This is our bedroom size. Okay. Same thing you can able to copy for finish your work immediately. That's why I'm using copy command. See, you have to write add it over here. M short form was master bedroom. Why? Because we are providing here attached toilet bathroom. That's why we are providing we are giving a name as master bedroom. See, this one was our dining hall. Dining hall value how much? 4 and 5 meters. 4 by 5. Actually, this value was 4. Living hall. Okay. Again, I am using flit for this line. Okay. Sorry, this dimension was 3 meters. How means? See, this value 3.5. Okay. Now here we have to give another room name. This we have to give it as drawing room.
Answer.
Yeah,
We have 2 minutes.
yeah, I'll finish.
Okay.
See, now we have to give here parking. Okay. We have to check how much distance we provided over here. Okay, 4 by 4 we given. As per this, I providing here 3 names. Yesterday, tomorrow I'll give here names. Okay. Using line command, we have to draw this drawing. Okay. I hope tomorrow you guys will send your assignment in group. Inshallah, this class will continue tomorrow. Okay. Kindly send your assignment and notebooks. If you have any doubts related to this class, you can able to ask me. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, class. Allah Hafiz. We will meet again tomorrow this time on the time.